All right, what's up, people? So I figured I'd finally do this video, and it's probably going to be pretty short, but not short enough to make it short. So the reason I think that time travel is impossible is because of something called the conservation of mass energy, or basically the law of conservation. And there's something you should look up. It's called Noether's theorem. And I think this is one of the most beautiful arguments ever made for the invariance of physical law. But I'm not going to use that here. What I'm going to do is, because I believe in a B theory of time, which I don't have time, pun intended, to get into that shit. But the idea is that the motion of time, or the concept that time moves, is really an illusion, and that all times exist simultaneously within a non-temporal framework. So don't ask me why I have all these lighters, because I have a bitch load more. There used to be this gas station that I would go to, and if you bought 2 packs of cigarettes in the same time, you would get a free lighter. So I ended up with a rack load of free lighters. So we're going to call this the universe at T1, and we're going to call this the universe at T2. And we're going to assume that T1 is prior to T2. So this would be the past, and this would be the present, or the present, the future, etc. So T1 is prior to T2 in the sequence. Now, I said B theory of time, which means that I think the priority is in the ordering of the system itself, and not so much in the fact that something is actually moving. That would be the A theory of time. So this represents the constancy of basically the mass energy within the closed system that is the universe. Now, this law requires that it be a closed system. I'm going to say the universe is a closed system. Could it be a part of a bigger system? Sure. But in and of itself, it's a closed system. So what happens? If I take this guy right here, and he goes back in time. You see what I'm saying? It really is that simple, because now T2 has lost mass energy. T1 has gained mass energy. This violates the law of conservation. I hope I made that clear.